The remote job market feels like a giant black hole lately where resumes go to die. You spend hours tailoring every single cover letter only to get hit with a generic automated rejection. Or worse, you find out the job was not even real to begin with. This is exactly why people are looking at Zenfy with a mix of hope and extreme skepticism. You see the ads and you see the promises of high-paying remote roles. It claims to be a career accelerator, rather than just another boring job board. The big question is whether it is actually a bridge to a better life, or just another clever trap. I spent some time digging into the mechanics of how they operate. They do not just give you a list of links. They provide a structured 4-week plan. This is designed to take you from the very first application all the way to a formal offer. They offer coaching and resources that are meant to polish your approach. This matters because the competition for remote work is fierce. You are competing with people from all over the world. Right now, the entry price is sitting around $20. It is important to note that this is a limited time rate. It eventually moves up to nearly $50. That is a significant jump. You have to ask yourself if the speed is worth the cost. To find the truth, I looked at what actual users are saying. Over 1,100 reviews are sitting on Trustpilot. That is a huge amount of data. They have a 4.3 star rating. That suggests a very high level of satisfaction across a large group of people. I also checked the safety metrics. Scam Advisor gives this platform a score of 86 out of 100. That is a very strong indicator of legitimacy. Most fraudulent sites get flagged immediately with low scores. The actual website domain is clean and verified. My honest take on this is that it seems like a real tool for serious hunters. It is for people who want to stop guessing and start following a roadmap. It promises a self-moving call pops up on your feed. If you are exhausted by the hunt, this might be the shortcut that actually delivers. It is about getting personalized guidance instead of shouting into the void. The remote dream is still alive, but you need a better strategy to catch it. Zenfy looks like it might provide that strategy without the typical risks. It is a legitimate path in a very crowded room. You want to land that work from home role. You want to skip the endless cycles of failure. This platform focuses on the remote niche specifically. This is about bypassing the noise. If you are stuck in the application loop, a structured plan might be the circuit breaker you need. It is about speed. It is about strategy. You are paying for the curation. You are paying for the guidance. It seems like a legitimate shortcut for those who are ready to move fast. The feedback is solid. The data is there. It is time to decide if you want to take the leap. The world of remote work is changing. You need to change with it. This tool offers a way to stand out. It gives you the edge that a basic search engine cannot provide. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, having a guide can make all the difference. The numbers do not lie. The people using it seem to find real value. This is not just another empty promise. It is a real opportunity to level up your career.